creamy French chicken and risoni. Tray bake. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Season 4 chicken thighs generously with salt, pepper, and smoked paprika. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large oven-safe skillet over medium-high heat. Place the chicken thighs skin side down and cook until the skin is golden brown and crispy, about 5 minutes. Flip and cook the other side for another 3 minutes. Remove the chicken from the pan and set aside. In the same skillet, melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Add 1 finely chopped medium onion and cook until softened, about 4 minutes. Stir in 2 minced garlic cloves and cook for another minute until fragrant. Stir in 1½ cups of risoni, allowing it to toast slightly for 1 to 2 minutes. Pour in ½ cup of white wine, if using, and scrape up any browned bits from the bottom of the skillet. Allow the wine to simmer and reduce by half. Stir in 1½ cups of chicken stock, 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme leaves. If using baby spinach, stir in 1 cup now. Place the browned chicken thighs back on top of the risoni mixture, skin side up. Transfer the skillet to the oven and bake uncovered for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the chicken is fully cooked and the risoni is tender and creamy. Remove from the oven and let the dish rest for a few minutes. Nim.